Okay, so hi everyone, my name's Alex and this is my second video in my Python programming tutorial series, and today I'm just going to be explaining what an if statement is, as well as the corresponding else if statement and the else statement. So first off, I'll just explain what it is. So an if statement is a conditional statement which checks to see if something is true or false. We then tell the code to do something depending on whether the value of the if statement is true or not. The else if statement is used to act if something changes within the if statement, or if the if statement is not true, or if statement isn't true. And the else statement is just to use as the last resort if none of the if statements or none of the else if statements are correct. So, and also this is a multi-lined comment, and if you want to create multi-line comments, you do a pair of 3 quotation marks. So I've got one pair there, and there's another pair there. So I'll create a variable called age. So age equals 19. Then what I'm going to do is type in if. Now you'll know that you spelled it correctly because if will light up, and I hope you can spell if. It's only 2 letters. So I'll put if age is equal to 19. So as you can see, we've already got if age, the variable. So if the value of age is equal to 19, and since we've got 2 equal signs, this is a comparison operator. So I might talk about them next video actually, before actually going into any depth about them. And what this does is it compares the operator by the operand, and the 19 is the operand and the age is the operator. So it's going to compare that and say if age is equal to 19, then you put a colon, and then I'm going to print I am 19. So hopefully this works, or else I'm going to be a bit embarrassed. So F5. So there we go. So what it's done is the if statement is checked to see if the variable age is equal to the value 19, and then you put a colon, and then you type in the values that you want inside of the if statement. So I've told the statement if age is equal to 19, which it is, you will print I am 19. So what if I changed age equals 20? I'll change age to equal 20. So if age equals 19, print I am 19. But now we change age to 20. This won't work. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to type elif. It's not else if as in 2 different words. It's elif. I think in C# or other programming languages, I think you have to type in else if as in the word else. But in Python, you just type in elif as in one word, and then it will glow orange. So we'll type in else if age is equal to 20. No, you idiot, I am 20. So hopefully this will print no, you idiot, I am 20. Okay, so there we go. So since we changed the value of age to 20, and since this if statement says if age is equal to 19, print blah blah blah, but since it doesn't equal 19, it'll go into the next statement, which is the else if statement, and the else if statement says if age is equal to 20, print this. Now what I'm going to show next is the else statement, which is the last bit. So with the else statement, you don't write another comparison, you just write in else print whatever. Print I like bacon bagels, but with American cheese. So what that's going to do is, so I'll change the age of 20 to 300. So what it's going to do is the if statement is going to check if age is equal to 19, print this. It will check age and see that it's equal to 300, so we don't print that. Else if age is equal to 20, print this. Then we'll check age and see age is equal to 300, so it doesn't run this. But then it will see the else statement. So if it's not equal to the if or any of the else if values, it will print else. And then we print. So this will print I like bacon bagels but with American cheese. So I'll press F5 and that will print out. So I like bacon bagels but with American cheese. And that's happened because the original value statement, so age equals 300, is not equal to anything that we've written. So if age is equal to 19 or age equals 20, age isn't equal to either of them, so it won't print any of them. If I was to do another else if statement called else if age is equal to 300, this will print out because age is now equal to 300. So I am now 300 years old. I am a fossil. So I'll print this, or I'll run this program, and hopefully this text will run because I've set age to equal 300 in an else if statement. So F5, I am now 300 years old and I am a fossil. So what it's done is, I'll go over this one more time and I won't bore you ever again with if statements, or the basic if statements. So the if statement checks if age is equal to 19, prints I am 19. No, this isn't correct because age is equal to 300. Else if age is equal to 20, print this. Age isn't equal to 20, so don't print this. Else if age is equal to 300, print I am now 300 years old. Then the if statement will go back up and the computer will check, age is equal to 300, so I guess I will print this. And the else statement is if none of these values in the if statements equal the original value of 300. So if I change that to 301, the else statement will get printed because, actually, oh god, wrong one, age equals 301. So else if age is equal to 300, since age isn't equal to any of these inside the if statement, it will just print the else statement. So F5, so I like bacon bagels with American cheese. So an if statement is quite powerful because you can nest it inside other things, and you can use it in conjunction with functions and for loops and things like that. So you could say if age is equal to 100, then you could say a variable in the for loop could increment, and every time that increments, an if statement value will increase and will therefore change the value of the if statement, or something like that. You can do a lot of powerful things with it. But yeah, that's the basics for this. I'm hoping to hopefully maybe upload this video to my Dropbox file so you can download it, and then so you can just easily, you don't have to go to YouTube to watch it, you can just watch it offline. And I might upload the Python file to my Dropbox as well, so you can download that. I'll see if I can do it. But anyway, so I hope you learned. Hopefully you've learned about if statements, and hopefully you've gained a bigger and better grasp about what they are and what they're going to do, what can they achieve within your programs. But anyways, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.